Welcome to Smartbox. In today's video, we're going to go through some features that can really aid the challenges conducting and managing DSARs within the NHS. So here we have some medical data. This is anonymized data that we use for testing purposes, and we're going to run through a typical NHS use case. The use cases within this 186 file dataset, there are some risk indicators that can be harmful to the recipient of the DSAR. And in this instance, we need to identify those risk indicators and control the data. So the first thing we're going to do is utilize the search function within Smartbox, which is located in the far right under the filter button. The search function is strong enough to read data within the documents, allowing us to be precise with our search for the risk indicators. So we are going to search for abuse. Once we've typed abuse and press enter, we can see that it has reduced the 186 files down to 3. Once we select one of these files, knowing that abuse is within the files, now we can see that there are 5 pages within this file. Now it can be a little bit tricky to locate one singular word within this dataset. So what we're going to do is utilize the search function within SmartView, which is located in the upper banner of this page. We're going to type in abuse again, which takes us to where the risk indicator is located within the file. As we can see, this risk indicator is located on page 3. We can see that it is being highlighted and flashed within the file, allowing us to understand where the risk indicator is located within the file. We can see that in this instance, abuse is a question and not related to the DSAR. So we can leave this particular risk indicator and not worry about any terms or any type of redaction. Another core feature within Smartbox, and is an important feature for the NHS use case, is the ability to add on the fly. An addition on the fly is when you detect a risk indicator within the dataset and believe this needs to now be included within the dictionary throughout the DSAR. So we can see on the same page there is hypertension. We are going to say that in this instance, hypertension is a key word within this DSAR, and we want the system to flag hypertension for redaction. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to our select text on the top banner, select hypertension, which then locates hypertension on the far left, and we're going to select the add button. Select the dictionary that we want to add hypertension to, and as you can see, we can either add it to our NHS dictionary or our risk indicator dictionary. Once we've selected which dictionary it will be, we will now create hypertension within the risk indicator dictionary. So now moving forward, hypertension will now be detected.